Hey y'all, hear me out. Here we are with another video for the perfect honeymoon hair featuring Alibele hair from AliExpress. Okay, here's the extra large dome cap I'll be using to make the wig, my mannequin head to make the wig on, and then my needle and my thread. Next, I'll be showing you the 3 bundles that I used and the inches. Okay, shortest inch will be the 18-inch. Then I had a 20-inch as well as a 22-inch. And I believe the frontal was either 18 or 16. I'm not sure, but I will post it in the description box below. So here you want to place the dome cap on the mannequin head and you want to stretch it as far as you can. That way you'll have as much space as you can for the wig itself. So you'll just see me stretching and pulling it, and I'll use my T-pins and pin it down so it doesn't move. Okay, right here is where I show you that it's as flat as it can, but don't be alarmed because the front of the frontal has to have space. Like, it has to be, like, clumped up in the middle. That means you did it right, so don't worry. Okay, here's the products that I use to bleach the knots as well as bleach the hair: BW2 powder and 40 developer. Remember, the consistency has to be as thick as toothpaste or like yogurt, something that won't seep through. Now here you see that I'll go ahead and I'll part the hair the way I wanted the color to lay. Unfortunately, it did not work out that way. I think I went too high up, but that's okay. It is what it is. The hair is still fire. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start processing the hair. We're going to bleach it. Keep in mind that I did not comb this hair at all. I didn't brush the curls, not once, because I did not want to lose the curls. I've learned that anytime you process curly hair, you lose the curl, so it gets a bit more wavy. So I just decided to just process the hair as is, no detangling, no combing out, because as you can see, the frontal looks straight already, and then the back has a bit more curls to it than the frontal does, and you'll see even at the end of the video what I mean. So for the back of it, I didn't really process the back of it. Well, the ends I did, but the top I kind of just used the rest of the product that was on the gloves and just wiped it on the hair. So it got like this really pretty light brown color. It wasn't much of a process. So the top of the back of the hair didn't process much. The curls didn't change at all. So what you're seeing now is the day after, once the hair was fully air dried, and what it looks like. Now we're looking at it being bleached for the second time and how quickly it processed. Okay, now this is the second time it was bleached and fully air dried, and you can see how the curls look different. that's the front of it. It's a bit of a lighter brown. So I decided to use the Revlon, the color silk, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that on. And I'm going to use the second box because I thought I could get away with just one, but I was wrong. So the color didn't come out as bright as I wanted it, but I kind of expected that because I didn't bleach the hair 3 times like you should. I only did it twice, so I didn't lose the curls completely. So I actually just put the purple shampoo on there and let it sit for 24 hours to see if I can kind of brighten it up a bit. So I basically washed the hair out after the 24-hour mark, and that's what it came out like. So I didn't do anything to the hairline because I think in the previous hair review, I did say that it sheds a lot and then it kind of balds. So I just left it alone. This is what the curls look like and what the hair looks like after it was fully dry the next day. Okay, so here is the final look for the hair. It's kind of basically not the color that I did want, but I was actually too afraid to curl it again, to dye it again, because then I thought I would lose the curls in general, and I could not have that because who wants that? And these curls at the top already, it's really hard to already get them. Because even though I bleached it twice and toned it, I let it sit in the yellow shampoo, and then I toned it. These curls are like, they're gone. So if I were to even put bleach on it again, it would actually, I think, be completely straight. So this is what it is. I did a side part. I haven't tried middle yet, but I will. So this is the honeymoon here. I actually did wear in the water. So we went to the pool and the beach on the same day. And it was kind of bad. Like, I had to really sit down and detangle it. And I had like the travel kit shampoo and conditioner to go with it. And I really had to go through and condition it, shampoo, condition it, and detangle because it was sitting in like hot, like chlorine and hot water. And we went to the jacuzzi, so we went through a whole thing. And this is the day before we're leaving. This is our last full day here, so this is the end product. The only thing I kind of don't like is the fact that the frontal is so much shorter. So I don't know if I put it in the middle part, what it will look like. Probably a little crazy, but I don't know. Don't mind the TV. I'm at the resort right now. Just said, let me just do the review because I'm here. But yeah, this is it. You can kind of see that the curls are a bit different. And if you see the back, you can probably tell that the curls are a little, like they dropped a little, but that's okay. It makes the hair longer, but if you're thinking about doing a frontal, maybe your best bet is to get a longer frontal to match the bundles. But this is it. I kind of like it. If not, I might go back and probably try to do the roots a little bit, bring them brown a little bit further down. But other than that, I'm really feeling it. So like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for another hair review. Bye.